Hi guys, I'm Kenz, back at it again with another tutorial, and for today's video, I will show you how to online viewing your CCTV using a Mac OS. So without further ado, let's go! We will using NVMe software, but this time for Mac OS. And if you haven't watched our previous video, I will leave the link in the description below. First, check the network status of your DVR. Make sure the Ethernet port is online, IPv4 DHCP status succeed, and NAT status is enabled. Second, on the toolbars, click the information and copy the QR code and save it for later. Third, download the link of NVMe 1200 in the description below, then install it. Fourth, open the NVMe software, then register. After that, log in your created account. Fifth, to add your DVR, click the device, then click create device. On the device type, select recorder new, then you can change the device name whatever you want. 7. Change the IP address to serial number and input the DVR QR code. Then input also the default server port of the DVR, 6036. 8. Input the username, admin, and password 123456 of the DVR. 9. You can create a new area to specify the location of your DVR. Then input the area name you want, then click OK. 10. To view your CCTV, click live preview, then double click the area name you created so that all video will pop up. And now, you can view your CCTV using a Mac OS anytime. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated. Again, I'm Kenz of OPENPINOY. If I can do it, they can do it. Then why not you? See ya!